You will learn how to reverse a video, all right, in CapCut Desktop application in this tutorial. Let's just get right into it.
The first step is for us to launch the CapCut. So click on this, click here and search for CapCut. I will select it. As it opens, I'll click on Create Project. Let me go and import a video clip I want to use for this. So I'll click on this import button. Then I'll click on this and click on Open. So I'll drag and drop here. So let's play this to see how it plays originally. All right. You can see first the horse tried flying up. Are you getting that? So let's see what the reverse will look like. First, for you to reverse, click on the video clip as it is on the timeline. And the next step is to take your cursor to this, okay? Once you take your cursor to this, you see some options. Select reverse. So now that it has reversed, let's see what it gives you in return. So I'll play it. So instead of going up, it went down.
If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more tips. All right? Leave a comment in the comment section here if you have questions to ask, or you can say thank you and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. You can check out this video here to learn how to use CapCut Desktop application, which covers the basics. Thank you and see you some other time.